Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the FlashBeyond GP1. Glass pads are a regular part of my rotation, so when FlashBeyond reached out to let me try their pad, of course I said yes. As always, my opinions are my own, and even though I received the GP1 for free, you'll get my honest thoughts on the pad. Over time, I've accumulated quite a few different glass pads and glass surfaces, so we have some great pads to compare to. In the box, you'll get the GP1, some dot skates, a sleeve, and a cleaning cloth. Given the most expensive version of the GP1 is currently $60 US, this is an amazing deal in my opinion. So the surface feels more towards a speed surface. It feels very slightly textured, and it really reminds me of the Pulsar Superglide. If you're looking for a glass pad more on the speed side, then the GP1 is definitely an attractive contender. If you've used any modern glass pads, you'll know that there are a wide variety of surface treatments being used. These treatments help the surface feel smoother, faster, and help prevent dirt from ruining your mouse glide. The GP1 does not appear to employ a premium treatment like this, which could be a deal breaker for some in the modern glass pad market. Fortunately, this surface is still fantastic to play on. Considering the more premium glass pad surfaces can rarely be had for under $100, the under $60 USD GP1 is sitting at a really attractive price point, and this surface is still really fantastic to use. For the sake of testing, I attempted to scratch the surface a bit using items of various hardnesses, and the surface seems to have a great level of scratch resistance. Even with metal and some pressure, the surface didn't look or feel scratched afterwards. The glass is pretty thick and the base is extremely grippy. I did have a small air bubble in my base out of the box. After leaving the pad on my desk for a couple weeks, I can no longer see the bubble except under bright light. The bubble has definitely not had any impact on the pad's performance or grip level. FlashBeyond is currently having a sale. The 400 by 300 mm small can be had for $46.99, while the 500 by 400 mm large can be had for $59.99. The crazier part is that these pads also include a sleeve, skates, and a cleaning cloth. The value proposition here is absolutely insane compared to just about everything else on the market. I love that they do this bundle, as I feel like having the right skates or sleeve can make or break a glass pad experience. FlashBeyond has kept it simple and classy aesthetically. You'll get the choice between flat black and flat white, both featuring some minimal branding. I think this is a good choice as these will cover most setup aesthetics, and with unintrusive branding it won't excessively stick out in your setup. The skates seem great for glass, so FlashBeyond seems to know what they're doing. The skates are pretty hard, probably only slightly less hard than my Obsidian Pros, and in my opinion having nice hard skates really helps to rein glass pads in, as it gives you a bit more feel and communication through the surface and skates. Since they're dots, you can put them on pretty much any mouse. The sleeve unfortunately does not have palm coverage, which pretty much makes it unusable for me. Most people are fine with this, so it likely won't affect you, but for how I play on glass, I need to use a sleeve, and it needs to have palm coverage. The texture of the included sleeve is more silky and stretchy, and if you're not bothered by the lack of palm coverage, it seems like a very functional sleeve. I think this is one area FlashBeyond could up the game a little bit by including a second sleeve that has palm coverage. The included cloth appears to be the same type of cloth that's often recommended for cleaning smartphone and tablet displays. It does a great job, but it's definitely not as nice as the cleaning cloth some other companies have included. That's okay though, because this is nearly half the price. The FlashBeyond GP1 strikes me as an entry-level glass pad. Perfect for someone who wants to try glass but doesn't know for sure if it's for them. You'll be able to reap all the benefits of glass with the FlashBeyond GP1 without paying over $100 and that's a really attractive offering. It won't feel as fancy as some other glass pads with more premium coatings, but it will enable you to experience a great glass pad. Considering you're getting a complete package here with skates and a sleeve, you can really get the full experience at a lower price. Please use my affiliate link in the description if you do decide to buy the GP1, as this helps support the channel massively. Glass is a really controversial topic among our community. Personally, I find value in glass most as a training tool. It's forced me to fix some of the bad habits that were present in my aim, as well as enabled me to pinpoint and improve weaknesses that I didn't know I had. This experience has made glass an essential part of my loadouts. The FlashBeyond GP1 is coming in with a quality pad at a very attractive price point. I definitely approve of this because at the end of the day, the best hardware for any person is hardware they can actually afford. With enough accessibility, our communities can and will continue to grow and improve. That's all for this one. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more.